Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2023 CR-V SE. Now this is the all-wheel drive variant, finished in platinum white. As you notice, you do get the LED daytime running lights, you get the LED headlights, and of course LED fog lights. You also got 4 front parking sensors. You've got 18-inch alloy wheels as standard as well. Walking around the car again, just showing you the rear alloy here. Moving around to the rear of the vehicle, you'll notice that you do also get 4 rear parking sensors. You also get a reversing camera as well, which makes this thing an absolute doddle to park. I'll just quickly show it you just there. Lift the boot up. You've got plenty of space in here as well. You've got 60/40 split flat folding rear seats. You've got a 12-volt power outlet just in the bottom left in case you want to have a cooler box stored. You've got a lever on either side as well, which when you pull does fold the seat flat, as you can see. And that does fold flat with the boot floor. Walking around the car again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, as you can see again, you do have the flat folding seat just here. To get it back up, you do just pull the seat up and it will clamp back into place. It will clamp in the upright position, so all you need to do is pull the lever and recline it once more. You've got full black cloth interior with your ISOFIX mounting points at the bottom. You've got full electric automatic windows all round. And then you do also have your fully keyless entry and keyless start. Inside the car now, we've got your electric handbrake with brake hold. We've got your eCVT gearbox and your sports, econ and EV. You've got dual climate control in the front, which can be operated via the touchscreen display. Within this display, you do have your satellite navigation. You've also got all your audio sources just here. And you do also have your Bluetooth hands-free, as you can see there. On the steering wheel now, you do have your volume controls just here with your onboard computer. You've got your Bluetooth hands-free, voice assistant, and then the arrows here do work between your infotainment system and your onboard computer. We've got your cruise control, speed limiter, distance control, and lane keep assist. You've got automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this car has only done 7 miles since it left the factory. Jumping back outside now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do, of course, require any further information on this CR-V, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.